It's your turn to count. Go hide, Eddie.
Go hide!
Your turn to hide, Eddie.
You gotta close your eyes, Emma.
Okay, Emma, you gotta count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
You're supposed to hide, Eddie. Go hide. Emma's counting.
5, 6, 7, 1, 2.
Go hide, Eddie.
Go
Go
hide!
hide.
She's never gonna find you there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ready or not, here I come. He was hiding. You just counted too long. Okay, Emma's turn to hide.
Go to a different spot, Emma. Go hide over here. No?
Go get her, Eddie. Where'd she go? Go find her. Okay, Eddie, go hide. Eddie, go hide. It's your turn to hide. Emma's turn to count.
Eddie, go hide! Go hide! Go hide!
You gotta close your eyes so you don't know where he goes. Close your eyes and start counting. What are
Close your
you
eyes.
doing with your mouth? Close your eyes and count. He's hiding.
1, 2,